Ever wanted to hide a folder like it owes you money? Let me show you a Windows secret using Command Prompt. First, open CMD. Now imagine your folder is called ABC. Yeah, very creative. Type this magic spell: attrib plus H plus S plus R A B C. Boom. Your folder just went into stealth mode, hidden, system protected, and read-only. Even Windows is like, yeah, I don't see it. Want it back? Don't panic. Type this instead: attrib-h-s-rabc. And just like that, your folder is back, safe, and pretending nothing happened. Use this wisely, not for hiding homework, or maybe, follow for more quick tech tricks and
Don't forget to subscribe.